I feel threatened by the geese. I wonder if they're chaotic. Hello! Yes. Hello. How are you? Would you like to engage in small talk? How do you feel about capitalism? Remus. Hello. Oh, hi! You want attention too? Yeah, okay. Oh, hi Dennis. Yeah? You okay, Dennis? Or should I call you Father Dougal? Oh, I got your clothes. Don't eat my camera. If you spoke right now, would you sound like Father Dougal McGuire? How about you, Remus? What would you sound like? Do you want to crunch, Dennis? Yeah? Yep, there you go. Good Dennis. Good Dennis. Yeah, good Dennis. Hey Dennis, what do you think of gingers? Here, you hold a world record, right? Do you know what that world record is? Because I don't. Hi, small dog. Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, bud. Hello. 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 Yeah. Oh. Hi, puppy. Hi, hi, puppy. Hello. Goat. Do you enjoy your ear piercings? Where are you going? Where are you going, man? Hello. Hi. How are you? Do you fear infants? Meg, do you have a rivalry with the chickens? Do you? Hello. Oh. You really want attention, don't you? Do you agree that Wednesday is yellow? Are you jealous of Remus? Hey, how could you be jealous of that guy? He's amazing and adorable. Well, not as amazing as you, Dennis. Not as amazing as you. Dennis, do you enjoy scritches? Hello, goat. Are you a wanderer? Do you have your own agenda? I like Dennis. 28 in donkey years. What would that be in human years? Oh. Do you agree that men should shave their armpits? You seem thoroughly confused by that question. Did you bite Eminem? Do you think that goat bit Eminem? 28 years old. Man. Wait, does that make you a millennial? Dennis, are you a millennial? You want a carrot? I'll get you a carrot. Carrot for Dennis. Yum, yum. Good munch. Yeah. Make stampin'. Can you scream for me? I love you, Dennis. I love you so much. Oh. Please, scream for me. Charlotte, do you realize that you're rather small? You got your tongue hanging out? Hello. Hi, Dennis. Oh, you coming closer for more pets? Do you like me? I've made a friend. I love you. You're my new friend. Hello. Chimkin. Where are you going? He's escaping. Do you think that playing FM radio should be a form of torture and therefore a war crime? Will you be my friend? May I interview you? I won't bite you. You're really fluffy. Hello. Hi. You want to sniff? Hello again. Can I pet you? No? No, you leaving? Okay. Hello, donkey. Do you think the declassification of Pluto as a planet is heightist? Num num. Num. Num num. I'm not afraid of you. I fed you. I succeeded in feeding him. Are you aware that you smell like an ass?
I think it's the one.
You gotta get a little cuddle.
The one closest to
Or
the goats.
wait, no. What are you doing?
The meal one closest
Oh.
to the goats.
Do you feel rejected? Were you just rejected? Did you cut your own hair? Oh, you're soft. So soft. You get on all the brushes. You get all the love. Where are you going? Are you a handsome boy? You're a handsome boy? Yeah? Do you want attention, Perdita? Yeah?
Oh my god.
You want attention? Oh? Huh? You want head pet? Head pet. Oh, nope, you don't want head pet? Perdita, will my father ever love me? No? Okay. Yeah, I know that. Do you realize you have a racing stripe? Look at you. Oh. Flies annoying you? Turlock's got a cross. Do you realize that you are adorable? You soft bunny. That dude is loud. Where is he? It's a ghost rooster. Oh no, you're here. Hello. Do you believe that laptops are the next coffee creamers? Do you think shark teeth should be legal tender? You're cute. You're a baby. Just a little baby. Hi, Tinkerbell. You are so beautiful. Hello. What is your opinion on the red-headed population? Do you fear children? Do you wish to consume? You wish to consume? No? Look at that dude. He's huge.
Yeah.
Goodbye, bunnies. Can I pet you? Goodbye, bunnies. Hi, Dennis.